Hello friends and welcome to today headlines. Biden challenge Trump with buy American economic plan. Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden has laid out his rescue plan for the coronavirus crippled US economy while berating President Donald Trump as incompetent. Mr. Biden said his $700 billion plan would be the biggest investment in the US economy since World War II. The Build Back Better agenda, he said, would spur a manufacturing and technology jobs boom. The Trump campaign responded that the plan would inflict a catastrophe. Mr. Biden is all but guaranteed to face off with Mr. Trump in this November presidential election. Speaking at a metaphoric farm near his childhood hometown of Saskatoon, Pennsylvania on Thursday, Mr. Biden said the president's failure had come with a tribal human cost and a deep economic toll. Time and again, working families are paying the price for the administration's incompetence. Mr. Biden said November's election is accepted to be dominated by the coronavirus pandemic and its economic fault, which has pushed tens of millions of Americans into unemployment. More than 130,000 people have died with the coronavirus. Many voters are concerned by the Trump administration handling of the pandemic. His divisive approach to the country's recent wave of anti-schemes protest has also come under sharp scrutiny. What behind alarming new US outbreak? All you need to know about the presidential race. Opinion polls show Mr. Biden with an almost double-digit lead over Mr. Trump. What else did Mr. Biden say in his speech? The former vice president who served under Barack Obama struck an optimistic tone as he presented an economic program which he said would create at least 5 million jobs in manufacturing and innovation. A key theme of his plan, Mr. Biden said, was to buy American. He proposed a $400 billion increase in government spending on US-made products, in addition to spending $300 billion on the research and development of new technology, including electric vehicle and 5G network. When the federal government spends taxpayers' money, we should use it to buy American products and support American jobs, he said. Pennsylvania is an battleground state seen as critical to the outcome of the election. Mr. Trump won it in 2016 by a thin margin. The Buy American tagline has drawn comparison to President Trump's American First agenda, but Mr. Biden said Mr. Trump had failed to bring back jobs and manufacturing and during the pandemic had protected wealthy cronies and pals instead of working class families.